The woman was just about to take a bath. Suddenly there was a banging sound in the bath. She is startled on the spot. She put on her robe to see what was going on. As she wondered what was going on, there was another banging in the bath. The woman is completely terrified. Could there be something spooky in her new boyfriend's house? But she chose to believe in science. So she got up and cautiously walked over to the bath. She guessed that someone must be up to no good.
Yanında mısın?
And sure enough, the answer came from the other side. The woman calms down when she is sure of the truth. She asks if she is trapped. He responded with the sound of blows. After a quick search, she looked back at the mirror of the sink.
Aynanın arkasında mı?
The answer was positive. Desperate to save her life, she prepared to start the rescue, but she couldn't find the entrance. That's when she suddenly thought of the wardrobe in her bedroom. So she began to search through the closet. After a careful search, she found the entrance to the secret room in the wardrobe. But to open it, she needed a key. After some more searching, finally, she found the key in a drawer. But just as she was about to open the door, she suddenly hesitated. She remembered her boyfriend's ex-girlfriend. It was the strange disappearance of this ex-girlfriend. That's how she ended up with her current boyfriend. If the person in the secret room was really her ex-girlfriend, once she had managed to get her out of the room, her boyfriend will definitely choose to break up with her. So she couldn't sacrifice herself to save him. So she said she was sorry. At that moment, her boyfriend came home. He asked her what she was doing. The woman explained that she was just talking to herself. Then she and her boyfriend hugged each other. Seeing how heartless the woman was, Lisa's heart was breaking. She regretted her foolish actions before.